Hello students, welcome to Mitu Maths classes. Your question is differentiate tan inverse square root 1 plus x square minus 1 upon x with respect to sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square if x is lying between minus 1 to 1 and x is non-zero. So we have to differentiate this function with respect to this function. तो आपका जो जिस फंक्शन को डिफरेंशिएट करना है, लेट दिस इज यू, लेट योर दिस फंक्शन इज यू इज इक्वल्स टू tan इनवर्स स्क्वायर रूट 1 प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 1 अपॉन एक्स एंड v इज इक्वल्स टू साइन इनवर्स ऑफ 2x अपॉन 1 प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर. And we have to find du by dv, the derivative of this function u with respect to v. Now to find du by dv, u can be easily differentiable with respect to x and v can also be easily differentiable at x is equals to with respect to x. So we are going to differentiate u with respect to x. So differentiate u with respect to x. Now it will get so if we are going to differentiate with respect to x, so to differentiate this function we are going to first reduce this function tan inverse by substitution. So put x is equals to tan theta. U is a tan inverse of square root of 1 plus tan square theta minus 1 upon tan theta. Okay, and this can be written as tan inverse, this is 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta and square root of sec square theta is sec theta minus 1 upon tan theta. By converting sec theta and tan theta in sin cos, we are getting this is tan inverse of 1 minus cos theta upon sin theta. अब tan inverse के अंदर tan create करने के लिए we are going to substitute, we are going to put half angle formulas here. So tan inverse of 1 माइनस कॉस 2x का फॉर्मूला 1 माइनस कॉस 2a का फॉर्मूला क्या होता है आपके पास 2 साइन स्क्वायर a and your a is theta, so you will get theta by 2 and sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta cos theta. Okay, and 2 will cancel out, one square will cancel out and you will get tan inverse of tan theta by 2. Now tan inverse of tan theta by 2 is equals to theta by 2 if and only if theta by 2 must lie in between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So we are going to check first. X is lying between minus 1 to 1. So tan theta is lying between minus 1 to 1, so theta is lying between minus pi by 4 to pi by 4 and theta by 2 is lying between, अगर आप divide by 2 करेंगे then it will lying between minus pi by 8 to pi by 8 and which is within the range of our tan inverse. So hence invertible, so u is equals to theta by 2 and theta can be replaced by tan inverse of x. Now differentiate u with respect to x, we are getting 1 upon 2 tan inverse x का derivative 1 plus x square. Let us take this as 1. Now consider v and v को भी आपको differentiate करने के लिए first of all we are going to reduce our sin inverse function by substitution. Now substitute x is equals to tan theta here. So we will become sine inverse of 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta, and this will be equals to sine inverse of 2 tan theta upon sec square theta. Now by converting tan and sec square in sine cos, we are getting sine inverse of 2 sin theta, और एक cos से कैंसिल हो जाएगा, into cos theta, which gives you sine inverse of sin 2 theta. Now sin inverse of sin 2 theta, ये invertible sin invertible कब होगा? When 2 theta must lie in between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So we are going to check 2 theta here. X is lying between minus 1 to 1. So theta will lie in between minus pi by 4 to pi by 4. Now 2 theta must lie in between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, and hence it is invertible. So we can write V as 2 theta, or theta can be replaced by tan inverse x. Now differentiating V with respect to x, we are getting dV by dx is equals to 2 upon 1 plus x square, and take it as your second statement. Now our purpose is to get du by dv, and du by dv is equivalent to du by dx upon dv by dx. Du by dx is 1 upon 2 1 plus x square, and dv by dx is 2 upon 1 plus x square, and this will give you 1 upon 4. So du by dv, the derivative of this function with respect to this function is 1 by 4.